Well, it is Saturday morning and I am in the office. I was in court yesterday. I was in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, representing a student from East Stroudsburg University who had a little bit of trouble. The case went very well, I'm happy to say. With that said, we did come up with an article regarding the most common offenses and crimes that we see from students. I know it's the start of a new academic year, and I put out a lot of content on crimes involving students, the most common crimes that we see. And those range from a DUI to a drug possession to something a lot more serious like a sexual assault or rape allegation. But we've put these articles out and this content explaining these charges because no one wants to have a problem. But obviously, we understand that problems will occur. And the purpose of the blog article is to simply educate both parents and students with regards to the laws in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And in that article, I detail with regards to these common offenses, they can range from something as serious as a felony offense. We're talking about an allegation of sexual assault or rape. It can also range from something as simple as a summary offense. We're talking about a traffic offense like careless driving or reckless driving. DUI, for the most part, is a misdemeanor offense, but it can elevate if victims are involved. For instance, God forbid a person is struck by a drunk driver or even killed. Obviously, it goes from a misdemeanor offense to a felony offense in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In addition, there are possible mandatory minimum sentencing associated with that. I talk about underage drinking is also a problem when it comes to college students. We know that college students will be having parties on and off campus. And I go into a little bit of that. An underage drinking charge really isn't as serious, obviously, as a DUI. But nevertheless, any criminal charge for a student and their family can be very traumatic because obviously you've invested a lot of time and money in your education, and you want the ultimate value, given the fact that college is so expensive. I know there's been a lot of talk about student loan forgiveness. I'm not going to get into that, but obviously college is a great expense, and you want to maximize that. So check the article out, and I'm going to link it into this video. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is the weekend. I know that people will be traveling out and about. If you are suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. It will only make the case more complicated because the transportation department for that state can and will suspend your driver's license regardless of what happens in the criminal case. Once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Saturday afternoon, and I'll talk to you all very soon.